Hi, it's Angela Nesbitt and welcome to my color story. I am really excited to announce today a new free online mini workshop that I am going to be offering for the month of October. And it's crazy time still right now, and I'm not able to teach in person this fall, which I normally would be. So my students have been asking for a little online inspiration. So I have put together a really fun mini workshop for the month of October, and it's also somewhat of a painting challenge, sort of to get everyone back to the easel. So it's intended to get you to the easel, learn a few tips, and have a lot of fun. Pushing color, I hope. So that's the plan. So if you're wondering, would this be for you? Well, it's really for anyone, and everyone's invited. Even if you just want to watch me paint, you aren't a painter at all, and you just want to see how a painting is built, or if you are a painter that just wants to follow me stroke for stroke, that's great too. Or if you're more of an intermediate painter and you want to just get a little inspiration and get to the easel more frequently, but kind of do your own thing. And the same thing for advanced painters. If you want to take a few of my tips and then take them all, take them and make them totally your own. Everyone is invited. So I welcome everyone to come and join me. It starts October 5th. So a little bit more about the actual workshop. It's called Marsh 101 or Marsh Interpretation 101, because I tend to interpret things from my source material rather than copying the imagery I see. I just get inspired and get an idea and sort of take off with it. So it's a Marsh interpretation. I will be taking you through the canvas prep, my palette, several compositional options, as well as just how I build the painting, how to create some color excitement and energy, some color theory, not a ton, but as it relates to the landscape, and really just intended to be a lot of fun. So I hope you'll join me. So you might be saying, well, how do I join? So how you join: you go to Angela's Color Story, my private Facebook group, and join. And everything is going to take place within that group. All the demos will be posted there, supply list, all communication. I will be in the group answering questions and supporting you as well through the month of October, and I really look forward to a lot of community and a lot of interaction in the group. So everything's free, totally free. No gimmicks, no tricks, just a free workshop to build community, to have some fun, to get to know each other, and for us all to get to the easel. So this is actually the painting that we'll be working on. It's midway, it's not finished. So don't get scared. It's a little bit dark right now, but it will lighten up. But this is it. It's a very sunset, late day, pinks and orange glow kind of painting. So it'll be fun and really exciting. So let's see, I have a list here of the nuts and bolts. Let's see if I've forgotten anything. So go join the group. We will be posting the supply list and the source images today in the group. They will always be posted in the feed as well as in the units section. So if it gets a little complicated trying to find things in the regular feed, just go over to the units section, and everything for the Marsh 101 will be organized together. So that'll make it a little easier to find specific lessons and make sure that you're getting things in order. Let's see. Yeah, just come paint with me. It's going to be a lot of fun. I look forward to seeing you there. If you're on Instagram, you can go to the link tree and join the group from there. And on Facebook, just go to groups and join Angela's Color Story. So hope to see you there. Peace.